said go, take the trash, so I grabbed my coat. In a flash, my cat jumped in, didn't ask, just me, cat in that Cadillac. Found a jukebox down in Abilene, played a song about nights I've never seen. Cat just blinked beneath the bar's red glow. We both knew it was time again to go. Cat and Cadillac, no road map, no looking back. Cat and Cadillac, silhouettes in the rear view black. Try to find a job or two, spend my paycheck drowning in blues, counting days in tame, top 10, dreaming like a simpler man. Paid in tips and broken jokes, diner boots and denim coats. My cat's got eyes like rear view ghosts, and I shift to drive and let it coast. Cat and Cadillac, no road map, no looking back. Cat and Cadillac, silhouettes in the rear view black. Engine hums like an old refrain, midnight bleeds through window pane. The cat just purrs like we can't lose, no goodbyes, just taillights and tunes.